Messi, Busquets, andyan ba sila? Wish ko lang, man, like, man, tandaan mo, Jay, man, pamilya mo kami, H2O, Yahweh, ako, KZ, lahat ng tao sa bootcamp, man. At lahat lagi to sa'yo, man, lagi to sa likod mo. At si Hart, at dito kami, man, sasabakitan ka namin.
Talagang Rene J. Crew.
Marky, Baloy, patalo nyo na yan. Pinoy din naman kayo, di ba?
We could possibly see another forced interaction from Blacklist. Geek Fam, once again, everything available. They have to be ready. Immortality's also going to be online here.
They're making their way downtown, walking fast as Blacklist. Boy does take a stun. Nile trying to make a play on the
Loisky!
looking for something. For the last another move, got us in. Luke finds a stun. Edward trying to respond, but imagine does come from Yue. Sensui able to get the pin on Loisky. The immortality pops. The boy keeps going. Nile there as well. The boy able to find Oheb. Geek Fam coming out for the defense. But wait, Loisky in trouble, gets another final slash. Can't dash away. He's buying time to receive though. Blacklist are hungry. 3 down. 1 down as well for Blacklist. A boy and Nile all alone against 4. Blacklist International know what's on the line here. Geek Fam as well. Buchanan minions another wave. But it's 20 seconds until the rest of the team is there. Blacklist International trying to get the finish. Edward able to make the pin onto a boy. Nile against 4, but another wave of minions is coming down the backside. Geek Fam does have the defense. Blacklist trying to close it out. A dynasty may continue today. Blacklist International make it forward.
Now, you get to move on the next round. What can you say, Rene J?
Basti, next time huwag kang iiyak. Naiiyak din ako, makawala ako sa laro niyan.